gardener, keeper of the green. You shape the beauty we daily see. From trees that shade the open ground, to flowering paths where life is found. You watch each leaf, each root, each sign, ensuring every plant is fine. Through sun and rain, through heat and cold, you guard the life the soil can hold. You plant, you water, handle and care, feed the earth with patient prayer. You fight the pests, restore the weak, nurture gardens week by week. You help the bees, the butterflies fly, protecting life that passes by. In every bloom, in every seed, you serve biodiversity's need. Oh, gardener with heart so true, the world feels alive because of you. With gentle hands and knowing eyes, you help the earth to breathe and rise. Each garden thrives beneath your care, a living gift beyond compare. Through roots and rain and passing time, you turn hard work into beauty divine. Your work is more than planting seeds. It's science, soil, and nature's needs. You know the land, the light, the rain, the balance held in growth and pain. From private homes to parks so wide, from public spaces far and wide, botanical dreams and landscapes grow through knowledge only gardeners know. Patience lives within your soul, for plants grow slow toward their goal. You wait for buds to bloom one day. You trust the earth, you do not rush the way. You observe, protect, and understand, prevent disease with a careful hand. Through hours spent in dirt and sun, a beautiful garden is slowly won. Adaptable, creative, wise, you learn new ways beneath new skies. Open to change yet rooted deep, you guard the life we often keep. Flowers rise in colors bright, filling hearts with calm delight. They carry meaning far and wide, of love, of faith, of hope and pride. In rituals, prayers, and joyful days, in quiet grief or grand displays, flowers speak when words fall short, a a silent language of every sort.
O gardener, teacher of the land, creation blooms at your command. From seedlings small to beauty grain, you prove the earth is not alone. Through patience, care, and nature's grace, you leave your mark in every place. A garden thrives, a soul feels free, because you chose to let life be.
Some flowers heal, some flavor food, some lift the heart and change the mood. They cleanse the air, release the breath, a gift of life that conquers death.
From marigold to lotus fair, from jasmine scent upon the air, India's gardens proudly stand, a floral crown upon the land. O gardener with hands of care, you shape the world beyond repair. In every leaf, in every bloom, you turn the earth into a home. With love